Pep, that's a massive result in the context of this season. One that you feel well deserved?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
In terms of possession, in terms of performance?
No. The way we played, everything we have done. So we cannot forget against which team we played. So the European champion, and you are there in the touchline, and you realize how incredible they are. So and you try to find the spaces, but they are not. So they defend duels, and yeah, it's football. They waiting for the transition to punish us, and we won for one transition. So, but with how good they defend, we create enough chances to win, especially the intention to go to try to win the game from the minute one. The only problem we had is because after 1-0, they make a step up. And in that moment, we make transitions and we lose. And when you open the game with Mason Mount at the end, with Hudson-Odoi, with Timo Werner, with Lukaku, now is in dangerous position. But again, the team was incredible, were brilliant.
And you mentioned the goal, the transition, looking for that moment of pure class. And Kevin De Bruyne, he always delivers it, doesn't he?
Yeah, yesterday we spoke together and said, so since we were together, because for day one we are together, all we won, what we have done it together. So, and I want to push him to do it more and more and more, because there's a world-class player, and have the humility and humble to do everything for the team. And it's not easy to find that. It was player of the year in this country, what means he won with the team 3 Premier Leagues and a lot of prizes, and I still have this. But I want more of him, because I know he can do it. And today, the action that he has done is a long time I could not see it, and I'm so satisfied for him.
And he battles through injuries. He does the hard work. He sees the crazy pass. He's a priceless player in the context of modern football now.
Yeah, absolutely. He has everything. He just missed a little bit of confidence this season. He's struggling a little bit, but he knows what he can do. He's incredible beloved for all of us, for that fact. Another guy after being what he is and a lot of prizes could behave another step, and it's completely different. So I think his mom and dad has to be so proud.
Yeah, and you kept the intensity throughout the team, through the match. And in fact, Chelsea didn't have a shot or a corner in the first half, which shows how solid you were.
Yeah, I would be able in 180 minutes in this year concede 1 shot on target against this team. So this is defend well. And sometimes you can defend well back or more up. It doesn't matter. But the way Raheem and Jack and everyone they give everything. So we spoke against that team. I saw the game against Liverpool, the games against Tottenham. It's an outstanding team. And be able to control them through the ball and create the spaces is so difficult. They defend inside. They allow you. So Azpilicueta. Win all the duels, win the duels, are the same. So it's a fantastic team. So that's why I give a lot of credit. So 1 of January, I think we were 1 point down behind Chelsea, 1st of January. So we are in today, I don't know, 14 or 15 February, we are in that distance. So 12 victories in a row is incredible. So yeah, but keep going.
Yeah, last one then. Newcastle blew a 12-point lead in '96. Man United blew an 11-point lead in '98. Nobody's blowing a 13-point lead now.
Listen, that will be a problem now. Is for granted. We have to say if Liverpool win the game in hand, so it's 8 points. So it's not that the position like Chelsea. But now my job is take out in the brain, in the heads of my players, what try to don't believe what the people is going to say. So I put an example many times recently. So we were winning in the 45 minutes 4-0 against Leicester, and in 20 minutes 4-3. So of course we are more than pleased the position that we are, but a lot of job to do. And my job is tell them, and I'm pretty sure I will do it.
Thanks, Pep.
You're welcome.